Howdy y'all, welcome back to Kraton and Mt8 RC. Today's Sunday and I'm a bit frustrated. All of the differential footage that I thought I was going to be able to put up today is not usable. So unfortunately the differential videos for the MT10 rebuild, repair, and maintenance series isn't going to happen till next week. I apologize. There's nothing I can do about it at the moment. So in the meantime, to still get some footage up this Sunday, I'm taking the Kraton out. I've also got the Mt8 out today. I'm going to go through some construction bashing, have a little bit of fun, and just take some frustration out, you know. Anybody who films, I'm learning your frustration about losing footage. Yeah, a learning process. So, we're going to fire up this Kraton. Gonna have a little bit of fun around here. What do you say? Let's go. Damn it. That's fine. I'm not going to do that one again. I'm a tough, y'all. Oh, it sucks. There's that little thing right there. Another possible decent jump over here. I just don't want to come next to your equipment like that. Of course. Ooh, shit. Oh, yep, that. All right, let's see the damage. Probably just unplugged the battery. Oh. Yeah. That's all right. gotta fix my alignment. Oh well. Oh, this tire's about to come unglued. Alright, y'all. That's gonna cut it short for this session of the Kraton. This thing's starting to really be pleasant to drive. Really starting to be pleasant to drive this truck. Got the wheel spacers on it. It could use a wider stance, I'll say that. I'd really like to get some 20 millimeters on this Mt8. But nobody makes them for this anymore, or yet, I should say. Oh, I got lucky. Ah. Let's go find another place to jump. This one's alright, but... Alright, y'all. Found this nice little pile right here. Seems like might be a decent spot to try and bash right there. See what happens. Ah. Maybe it's too soft. Maybe it's too soft. Whoa! I've never been to this part of this construction site. Well, that might be a decent little spot. Let's see. Whee! Yeah, they're not very big jumps. Oh no. Alright, it's stuck. I gotta go get it. Alright, y'all. I appreciate you guys for watching the videos. Sorry I couldn't get the differential video out for the MT10 today. Beginning next week Friday, we will resume the MT10 repair, rebuild, and maintenance series, starting with the differentials. And then we'll go from there. Until then, y'all stay safe, stay classy, have fun. Catch y'all next week. Take care.